Hi, I'm Gary Rogowski for the Northwest Woodworking Studio, a school for woodworkers in Portland, Oregon. Today's masterclass is on the scraper. The scraper is so great is that you can cut in either direction without having to worry about tear out because the shaving curls so very quickly. That's what makes it so great. But the scraper has to be sharp, and the key to sharpening the scraper, strangely enough, is filing. The problem with them is that they're frustrating as heck if you don't know how to sharpen them. I remember when I first started out, I could get about half of my scraper sharp, and the other half was just producing dust. It was frustrating as heck. I listened to the experts, but I couldn't get it. Finally, I figured out a method, and I'm going to show you what you need to produce good results. First, you'll need a scraper, which is simply a flexible piece of steel. Polish up the face so that you'll have a nice clean face just right at the edges, and you have 4 potential cutting edges on each face. 4 here and 4 on this side. Next, you'll need a flat, smooth cut mill file, a diamond stone, and a burnisher, which should also be polished up for best results. Most of the experts would have you put the scraper in the vise and then file it straight and square to the faces, but it's hard to do. So, take that idea, reverse it. Put the file in the vise, and then draw the scraper along the edge of the file. It's so easy. The file is nice and straight, so you get a good true edge, and it'll be square to the face because your vise is already square to your bench top. When you feel a little bit of a burr on both sides, you've taken it far enough, then go to your diamond stone and polish those file marks out. Some people go no further than this, just using this edge for scraping, but I prefer to put a little bit of a hook on it with my burnisher. Take the burnisher and the scraper, hold the scraper over the edge of the bench, and first pull off any burr that might be there, and then holding the burnisher up at about a 5-degree angle, consolidate the steel at the edge, kind of mash it together. Then I hold the burnisher at 90 degrees to the edge, and I use the corner of the burnisher here, and draw it towards me, moderate pressure, and tip it over gradually to about 7, 8 degrees. 8.5 is perfect. About that neighborhood, 2 or 3 times, and you'll get a nice burr that gives you a good shaving when you cut. There's a whole lot more to show you about scrapers. We've just scratched the surface. So come and take a class with us at the Northwest Woodworking Studio. We'll show you how to use them correctly. Until then, adieu.